So today we are in WTC Estate. WTC Estate is one of the most luxurious, elegant places you can think of living in Enugu. You know, it was initially managed by the Enugu State Housing. They are the ones that sold here, and this place has like decent neighbors, rich neighbors. You know, anything you can think of, and you can see this beautiful house. Can just take a look at the magnificence of this house. So this is a 4-bedroom terrace apartment sitting on a 450 square meter size of land, you know, and everything about this house is state of the art. I can't wait to show you inside of this house. So stay tuned while we do this. I think this is a wrap up. So let me bless you guys with this view of outside. That's not the outside view. You know, I just really love it. So I think, you know, let's take a good look one last time. Look, if you can bring houses there. You know. Yes. So I think this is where we call it a wrap. So it's Davidson, a Fair, and I hope you enjoyed this tour, because I did. I got to see some good stuff. So you can always reach out to me on 0803 2915 145. That's our WhatsApp number, that's our cell phone number. Or you can drop an email on landjacksup@gmail.com. Or you can leave a comment in the comment section of this video and I'll reply you promptly. Whichever, just reach out. And as I said earlier, the house is selling for 85 million. But we can always negotiate, so long you get to get what you desire, what you love. I'm always here to serve you guys, and feel free to drop any comments. And please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share. Because if you don't like this, there will be other people there that might want something like this. So till I see you next time, I really had fun seeing you guys, and have a great day wherever you are.